presenting you the masterpiece Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's unbox. Hey guys, this is Second Gen 1. Today I will be unboxing my brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the accessories that came with it when I pre-ordered. To quickly summarize, I got the phone itself, which we will come back to it later, a 45-watt charger with cable in white color. Unfortunately, the black version was already out of stock, but yeah, all good, and a couple of awesome cases. Now back to the main device. It has the exact same packaging design as the predecessor Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now let's unbox the beast. I gotta admit, this is truly the most beautiful device by far. Big kudos to Samsung for always bringing up the latest and greatest innovation. Other than the device, there's a SIM ejector tool and the usual USB Type-C cable and a quick start guide. Unfortunately, after using the device for a couple of hours, I noticed that the camera when zoomed from 3x to higher, especially at night, I would get a weird flickering in pink color. And as per Samsung, it is a manufacturer defect. Thankfully, I got a replacement in less than a week. And yeah, all good, and got the same 2 years Samsung Care Plus warranty. Embedded S Pen with the rubber material is a welcome, and I love it. We'll talk about it more in the upcoming video. After setting up the device, you get to witness the best of the best, the most beautiful display yet, with dynamic AMOLED 2x 1440p and a striking brightness peak of 1750 nits. It is so bright that even when I'm outside in a sunny day, I can see it clearly compared to the predecessor. And a video about it will come up very soon. Stay tuned. Despite getting the replacement, I just had to test the camera. Looks like all is good, so we'll move on to the cases. So we have the smart LED view cover, a silicone cover, a leather cover, and a clear cover. I already unboxed the clear cover and was already using it for extra protection of my Galaxy S22 Ultra. The clear cover has a strong plastic on the back and on the edges, while the sides are light. Cool. Can easily remove the S Pen and reinsert it. Installing the case is easy and fits just right. If you see it from the side, the edges are slightly bumped, which gives an extra layer of protection to the screen and to the rear camera. The smart LED view cover has an excellent materials, and it is durable enough to protect the device, and it fits perfectly. The smart LED indicator is nice, but not having the touch to swipe and magnetic to close is a big bummer. However, you still get the overall protection and on the rear camera. Also, it's easy to remove and reinsert the S Pen. Next up, the silicone cover. It has a similar material inside as smart LED view, and it has a nice touch and flexible, but it is dust magnet. Easy to fit, easy on hand, ideal for those who prefer minimal look, and S Pen is easy to remove and can be reinserted. The leather case has a premium finishing and a similar material inside as other covers. This cover is all about the appearance, but you won't get the protection that you need like the other covers. Furthermore, it is hard to install the device unless pressure is applied. And S Pen is easy to remove and can be reinserted. I hope you guys enjoyed this short pre-order unboxing video. Stay tuned for a review and more awesome content. See you in the next one, and peace out.